Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we shall discuss as to why your screen might be black when you turn on your PC. What are a few things that we can go ahead and do to try and fix it? Well, there are actually a few possible causes to include faulty connections, any broken components, and even out-of-date software and viruses. So one way to go ahead and try to fix it is to go ahead and just disconnect your PC and then turn it back on. Usually this will go ahead and allow you to go to a safe boot option, or you're able to go ahead and restart your computer. Now another thing are old drivers, so do make sure that you are up to date. All you need to do is to go into your settings and then go into Windows Update right here on the bottom left, and then just go ahead and check for any new installs and downloads. So as you can see here, I have a few updates that needs to be done on this PC as well. And another could be to do with your GPU itself. So your GPU might be out of date, so you can just go ahead and update that. And one way for you to do that is to use NVIDIA driver update or even your AMD. Or one last thing, what you can go ahead and do is to go ahead and use this command, so which is Control Shift Windows B. What that does is it actually restarts or reboots your GPU or your hardware. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.